Did you eat all these? How many of these did you have?
Fuck out of you.
Dude, if he fucking jumped. Oh my. What the fuck are you doing?
Did you do? Why are you smiling? What did you do? What did you do?
Who did this? Bubba, was this you? Georgia, was this you? Jacko, was it? Yeah, that's what I fucking thought!
I just don't understand. This is crazy to me.
Who ate the Hawaiian rolls?
You ate all the fucking Acuforum.
Who got into the dog food?